Today's the 2nd of Sivan. We are the week before Shavuot. I heard a shir this morning from Rabbi Shlomo Katz from Efrat, Israel, from the Derech HaMelech by the Piazetzner Rabbi. And he said this is the time before Shavuot and the giving of the Torah. And then when a person learns Torah, their essence emerges, similar to that of a seed. And when you plant a tomato seed, tomatoes pop out. You plant an apple seed, apples plop out. So it seems kind of like obvious, isn't that true? So he said, that's true if you water the seeds. But what happens if you do the watering, but the garden bed is covered? Nothing's going to grow. Because that's Rabbi says the same thing is true with us. When we learn Torah, involved in Torah, we can do a lot of the watering, but if there's something covering over our panemius, something blocking it, the essence can't come out, which is really kind of scary in a way. Because you could sit through a lot of shiurim, you could daven with all the concentration, but if there's something blocking your heart, blocking your neshama, your essence, it's sort of repelled. When you have a garden, and my wife and I have done some fair amount of gardening, we have squirrels, and squirrels are they're ingenious, they're resilient, they're industrious, they never give up. And I've tried all kinds of things to discourage and chase away the squirrels, but they keep coming back, and they're very clever. Finally, I put up some fencing, and some of that fencing has really helped. And the areas that I haven't fenced in, so they go to those other areas that are still exposed. And I thought to myself, the squirrel's very much like my Yetzer Hara. I try different things to kind of chase away my Yetzer Hara. He's very clever. He knows how to come back. And he takes different routes. And he thinks of different ways that I've never even thought of when it comes to trying to trip me up. But what helps keep the squirrels out is putting up good fences. And the Chazal tell us, the rabbis teach us that when we put up a fence around Torah, it helps protect it. What we put up, what we do to protect our soul. Shmiras Einayim, Shmiras Halasham, watching what we see, watching what we speak, watching what we eat. Those are all fences that hopefully help ward off the Yetzer Hara. There's no guarantee. But I know that when I get up to coming up to Shavuot this Thursday night, only a few days away, I want to be able to have the droplets of Torah reach my essence and allow that to emerge on this Chag and to celebrate this beautiful, beautiful holiday with Hashem, with His Torah, and that my essence should truly, truly emerge to what it can be and what it should be. Have a good Yom Tov.